Hi there, welcome to the fourth video of our series Excel tutorial for intermediate learners on Mentor Edge. In today's lesson, we will learn how you can turn raw data into powerful visual insights using Excel charts and visualizations. In this lesson, you will learn how to create charts, how to choose the right chart type, how to format charts professionally, and how to build dynamic visuals. Professional Excel users don't just calculate, they present data clearly. Let's begin. Why charts matter? Number in the table can be difficult to interpret quickly. Charts transform numbers into visual patterns, helping people see trends, comparisons, growth, performance. That's why charts are essential for reports, dashboards, and presentation. Basic chart components: chart title, axis title, data labels, legends, and data bars. Understanding chart types. The most important chart types you all should know are column charts, best for comparison. For example, sales by month. Line charts, best for trends over time. Example is revenue growth across months. Pie chart, best for proportions. Example is market share by product. Bar chart, best for category comparison. Examples: product performance. The key is choosing the right chart for the story your data tells. Creating your first chart. Select the data, go to Insert tab, choose Recommended Charts. Excel analyzes your data and suggests the most suitable chart types. Choose column chart. Here it is. Column charts are ideal for comparing values across categories. You have created your first chart with ease. Formatting charts professionally. Select the table, go to Insert tab, select the recommended chart. On top, you find chart tools. Here you find design, layout, and format options. From Design tab, you can change the design layout. And from Chart Style, you can change any style you like to present. From Layout tab, you can format chart elements like chart title. Always add a clear title. For example, yearly sales. Access titles explains what the number axis represents. For example, on x-axis, years, and on y-axis, sales values. Legends. Chart legends act as a key identifying what each color, symbol, or pattern represents in a chart's data series. Data labels show values directly on the chart. You can also add a data table in the chart. From Formatting tab, you can further adjust your chart elements as required. A good chart should explain itself within seconds. Quick chart trick. For instant data presentation, select Data, press Alt F1. Excel instantly creates a chart. This shortcut is a fast way to visualize data without navigating menus. Spark lines. Spark lines in Excel are miniature cell-size charts that provide a quick visual summary of data trends. To add spark lines, select the data, go to Insert, Spark Lines, click Lines. A dialog box appears. Choose the location where you want the spark line to appear. Click OK. Each row shows a smart trend chart for the product monthly sale. Spark lines are perfect for dashboards because they show trend in a single cell. Best practices. Keep chart simple. Avoid unnecessary grid lines. Highlight key information. Use consistent colors. Add labels where necessary. A chart should communicate inside instantly. Real uses of the charts. Charts are used in business reports, sales dashboards, financial analysis, performance tracking, and data presentations. Now you know how to create and format professional charts in Excel. In the next video of this series, you will learn managing large worksheets in Excel. If you found this series helpful, like, share, and subscribe to MentorEdge. Thanks for watching. Learn smart, work smarter.